Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel Beauty Bling with Shush. So today's tutorial is about how to remove our makeup. This product is a perfect one to remove your makeup. It is a Garnier Micellar water. This makeup remover is very mild to your skin. It does not create any irritations towards your eyes when you remove the eye makeup. So I feel this is the best one, and I remove my makeup with this micellar water. So you all can use this. I will tell you, this is very good product. So this way you can see I have put the product on the cotton and I have put it on my eyes, and I have just waited for 5 seconds, and you can see everything is being removed, and it does not create any irritation towards my eyes also. So along with the different eye, again I'm going to follow the same process and remove my makeup. Tell me if you also have used this product and does it suit your face or no. And yes, if you have not used this product, and if you want to, if you have any queries related to that, you can ask me. And it's very reasonable, it's not expensive at all. Now when we do our eye makeup, you can still feel that dark pencils residues, and even the kajal's residues, and your eyes is very, it looks dirty and black. So you can take a q-tip, take a micellar water in the q-tip and clean your eyes like this, that I have done. And again I'm going back to my lips, putting the micellar water on the cotton and putting it for 5 seconds on my lips, and here I go. You can see how is it being removed. It's awesome. Now this cleanser is my favorite one. It can be used to a very sensitive skin as well. Yes guys, if you have a very sensitive skin, you can go for Cetaphil cleanser, Cetaphil moisturizer. They are very good for your skin, and it is not harsh at all. So I am applying the cleanser on all over my face and massaging it in this way, and again cleaning it off with a wet cotton. So I had done my base makeup. This is the tease makeup I had done, and I shooted it to show you guys how to remove the makeup. I had done a base makeup, but I'm so happy that base makeup did not look that cakey. It was really close to my skin, and you can see the product. See, ew. So yeah, now after this I'm going to wash my face with a normal face wash. And this face wash is a Patanjali face wash. It has a foam in it, so I use it, and yes, I like this product. So you can see how I am massaging my face in a circular direction. Now this is a coffee which was in my kitchen. I just grabbed it and took a vitamin E capsule, and I have mixed them, and yes, I'm applying on my face to scrub my face. Now coffee has a collagen properties. It helps to increase the skin elasticity, and when you scrub with the coffee, it increases the blood circulation, and it leads to healthy and energized skin. Now it is a best scrub for your skin. You can try this once a week or twice a 15 days. So it also helps to repair your cells, damaged cells, and it is high in antioxidant properties. So guys, it is very benefit for your skin. Now after scrubbing, you can use a toner, any toner you use, or a gulab gel, that's fine, and then you can massage with your regular massage cream or night serums. Now make sure whenever you apply any moisturizer, please make your hand movement or finger movement upwards, okay, upwards, so that your skin remains tight and firm. And don't forget to nourish your lips as well. This is very important. So how did you find my coffee scrub trick? Please comment in the comment section below, and bye bye, love you all.